Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in medical research with Johnson & Johnson, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what medical research entails. Research the significance of investing in the healthcare sector. Familiarize yourself with Johnson & Johnson as a company. Review its history, mission, and product lines. Investigate the current state of Johnson & Johnson's involvement in medical research. Analyze the company's recent innovations and breakthroughs. Look into the financial stability of Johnson & Johnson. Check their stock performance over recent years. Open an investment account with a reputable brokerage. Ensure that the platform you choose allows for stock purchases in major companies. Research various investment strategies suitable for beginners. Consider dollar cost averaging as a strategy to minimize risk. Allocate a budget for your investment. Determine how much you are willing to invest in Johnson & Johnson. Monitor the company's market trends and news regularly. Review quarterly financial reports and earnings calls. Consider diversifying your investment by including mutual funds or ETFs that focus on healthcare. Understand potential risks involved in investing in medical research. Be aware of the long-term nature of medical research investments. Keep track of your investment performance over time. Stay informed about regulatory changes and industry advancements. Engage with online forums and investment communities for additional insights. Continuously educate yourself about advancements in medical technology. Regularly revisit your investment goals and adjust your strategy as needed. Be patient as medical research can require time to yield profitable returns. Reassess your investment periodically to ensure alignment with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.